The pre-primary program is designed for students 18 months to 3 years old. The students in this program will be developing language skills, gross and fine motor skills, and social skills. The program fosters independence through practical life skills such as pouring, spooning, sorting, hand washing, all in an effort to develop life skills and inspire independence within themselves. Language development is critical at this age. We focus on activities that expand vocabulary and communication for children to learn through fun activities, music, and movement. Children really gravitate towards sensorial works such as sands, beads, water, textures, sounds, and smells. It is the natural way for children to discover the world around them. Your child will love to learn at Inspired Kids Montessori. We are excited to invite him or her in for a discovery experience with us. Contact us today to make your appointment.